How to enable two-factor authentication in Fifth Third Bank. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official Fifth Third Bank website. Then, log into your online banking account using your user ID and password. Next, once you are logged in, navigate to the Security Settings section. This is usually found under the Settings menu. Now, look for the option labeled Two-Factor Authentication or 2FA and select it. After that, choose your preferred method of authentication. Fifth Third Bank typically offers options like receiving a code via text message or using authentication app. Then, follow the prompts to set up your chosen two-factor authentication method. You may need to enter your phone number or scan a QR code with an authentication app. Once the setup is complete, you will receive confirmation message indicating that two-factor authentication is enabled on your account. From now on, each time you log in, you will be required to enter a verification code sent to your chosen device, adding an extra layer of security to your account. And that's it. Now you know how to enable two-factor authentication in Fifth Third Bank. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.